Keep your attention in your still point. Okay, now, what I want you to do is put your attention on the outside of your brain in your temples. Okay, so I'm going to touch you, is that all right? On the outside of your brain here. Okay. Different parts of the brain, when you put your attention on them, on it, do different things. So you could become much more psychic, you can become much more relaxed, you can access ancestral memory, depending on where you put your attention on or in your brain. Okay? By putting your attention on the outside and your temples, but on the outside of your brain, but inside the skull, your system will relax. There we go. Good. And here we go. The system. Good. How's that, Ellen? Are you calm?
A little bit more.
Good.
Nice place to hang out.
Can you speak up?
It's a nice place to hang out.
Great. Let's intensify it. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay. So all I'm doing is putting my attention on what he's paying attention to, and that will increase the effect. There you go. Good. You hang out there, okay? So let's all practice, okay? So assume the position. Bring your attention into your still point. Bring your attention, some of your attention, not all of it, right? Because you want some of your attention in your still point. On the outside, bring your attention to your temples on the outside of your brain, inside your skull. Bring your attention to your temples on the outside of your brain, inside your skull. There you go. How are you, Ellen?
Relaxed.
Good. Same one.
I feel a bit more centered.
Good. What's off center? You say more center.
More centered. Well, when you tap at the same time.
Good. I don't see the point. But no, I would think that's distracting. So you're in this thing of over-efforting.
Yes.
Totally. I should ask for permission.
That's okay. You got permission.
But you're making things harder than they are, and that's your whole thing, right? Right? So life can be a lot easier if you let it be easy. But we are all attached to our suffering, me included. Right? So allowing the deep state of relaxation for you is really frightening. Because the last time you were relaxed, really, it was scary. You learned very quickly to not trust. So whenever you relax deeply, you're like, fuck, it's going to happen again. Fuck. Right? So when you go there, can you feel that? You feel the sobbing, that? And I'm not gonna blast you. I'm not gonna go into completion about that.
It's all good.
Okay, but just to be aware that that's there. Right now, I just want you to be like, oh, I can navigate myself into a deeper state of calm at will.